Love, 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 love. I appreciate y'all. Ready? Love. God bless you, bro. Keep grinding, bro. You look good. You gonna be here tomorrow, right? Pull up tomorrow. I'm gonna try to go to your village. I told the team that. Or you don't live in the village. Where you live? What do you call it? The town? What do you call it? Okay, cool. We're gonna pull up. It's love. Blessings. Bree Embassy? Okay. All right, look, he's the coordinator. Where's the coordinator at? Let me see. Billy, he's the coordinator. Okay. If you pitch it to him and it sounds like it's something, we'll pull up for sure. But if not, you know I'm gonna be here tomorrow. Ready? It's love, bro. God bless you, bro. Good to meet you, bro. You're gonna be a star. Keep going. For sure. Hey, Dante asked real quick. Real.
Hey, everybody needs to come to Ghana, West Africa. That's the place to be, man. Ghana is where it's at.
Let's bakora amazi. Fresh.
You ready? Big dog. You got heart. You got a lot of heart, bro. You're going to be one of them guys that don't stop. Never stop, all right? Love, man. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah.
Love. That's your brother? My spotter. Different beats. Yeah, I know. You got the physique, brother. You got the physique. Huh? We can run. You can run too? Yeah, you got the physique. We can do it. We can do it tomorrow. I'll come warmed up.
All right, tomorrow.
Where we at now? Going downstairs? Huh? I feel good. All right. I wanted to get that 445 though. We're gonna hit 450 before we leave Africa. Chat, the goal is 500. The goal is 500. I never did 500 before. Because I feel like if we do 500, yeah, that would be a good clip. Because they love to say I'm doing fake weights. The whole internet. Fake weights. They all say that. Huh? That's what I'm saying. Like, clearly I'm not like little. Why would y'all think I'm using fake weights?
You get that 500, I bet you will.
Yeah, we can do it. If we lock in on it. Huh? The light? That lift I suck at, but we can do it though. I'm down to do whatever. Pull up tomorrow. You good, bro?
Yeah, I'm
solid.
Good. Yeah, I'm good.
So is the restaurant here or we're getting back in the car? All right. No, we can get in the car.
Very small drive, 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Thank you.
Hey, appreciate it, bro. It's love. Thank you. What car are we getting in? The G or the GMC? GMC?
No, I'm gonna go.